Alright, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Feeling pretty good today. Getting back into the swap stuff, so it should be sweet. This is going to be episode 3. I don't know how long this is going to go. It's going to go until this is swapped. I'm not recording everything, but we'll go there. Anyways, I took off the linkage. I took off the exhaust. I'll show videos of that now. Really glad I didn't have to cut anything. Super happy about that stuff. So that made me really happy. I thought I was gonna have to cut the exhaust. I thought I was gonna have to like do stuff with the linkage and the rack and all that, but it ended up going really well. All the bolts came off. They weren't rusted as shit. It was awesome. So I'm super happy about that. So we're gonna get into it. The only thing left that's holding this motor into this car is 3 engine mounts. I have the front right by the radiator, the gearbox mount on the side, and the engine mount over here by the pulleys. And I'm so excited to get this out. I have a shitload of work to do on the inside. I gotta clean it up, take care of a little bit of rust here and there. It's an old Volkswagen. Also gonna redo some stuff on the headlight wiring. It's gonna be awesome. I'm thinking about changing the booster out as well. And I'm gonna clean up all this old wiring and make it look really nice before I put the VR in. So hopefully you guys will be able to come along for that stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go through that and we're gonna pull this out, and that'll be a real nice quick video, but us pulling the motor out and super excited, so. Alrighty, as you can see, the 16 valve was out of the Mk1. I'm very happy. It was super easy. Nope, just kidding. It sucked, but it's out and it's awesome. And I'm really glad to be at this stage. So if you are doing this stuff at home, let me just give a couple tips that I just learned. I stopped the time lapse because I wanted to do a little bit of research and figure out exactly what I was doing, because I really don't want to damage my car. And I wanted to get this motor out safely and efficiently. Anyways, so some of the things you should pull: master cylinder. Mine was actually pissing brake fluid out the back, which is great, not really, but so I have to change it anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the booster and the master cylinder and the lines when I do the stainless kit. Also, you wanna take off the trans mount, not the diff mount. So this is the diff mount here. I mean, you can take it off, but I didn't have to get it out. But the trans mount, it's right by the sensors and where the tach/VDO cable goes in. So you definitely want to take that out. It makes things a lot easier, as well as the alternator. So that's usually one of the first things I take off. I'm not sure why I didn't do it on this one. I think I was just excited because of the video. I took it off first on my Mk2, on my Beetle, on the VR. Didn't do it on this. I'm not really sure what was going on. But anyways, take those things off. It'll clear it a little bit more. You have to kind of like angle it a little bit. Having one of the adjustable like engine levelers would be a really good help as well, so you can kind of like lean it up out as you get out. But anyways, we're at this stage, very happy with where it's at. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean all this stuff up, clean up the wires, clean up the inside, take care of a little bit of rust, and we will go from there, and hopefully everything goes well. That's it. Thanks. I appreciate you watching, and as always, support your local 1320 drivers, and thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.